Hey everyone, Tim from PoolProAnswers.com here. Just have a real quick tip for you about proper use of chlorinated tablets. Before we get into it, just want to remind you, please like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. And your comments are always appreciated if it's constructive and helpful. If you have questions you want us to get to, let me know in the comments below and we'll be sure to make a future video on that. So anyway, I just wanted to share this real quick with you. I'm part of various Facebook and online forums to find out what people are interested in and find out what their questions are. All the do-it-yourselfers out there, we want to help them out as much as we can. Came across one that really was concerning to me, and it was regarding the correct use of chlorine tablets. Now, the individual had said that she went to the pool supply store and gave them her readings, like many people do, to do or gave them her water rather, so that they'll do a analysis on the water. And I don't know how accurate this is, but she says that they told her to put tablets in the skimmer. Now, just so we're all clear on what tablets are, I'm going to flip the camera around. We're all clear on what we're talking about when we're talking chlorine tablets, is these guys right here. Sometimes they'll be wrapped, sometimes unwrapped, but these do not go in your skimmer. And we can read that right off of the canister here. I don't know if you can see it well enough on the camera. Probably not. Oh, there we go. See right there in the center. Do not add swimming pool supplies, 3-inch jumbo tabs directly into the pool or the skimmer, as damage will occur. Now, the reason we don't add these directly to the skimmer is that this is actually a really acidic product. It's a lot more acidic than liquid chlorine and even some of the granular or powder type chlorines. So what you want to do is you want to get yourself a tab floater. It's real, I mean, these things are cheap. I buy them for less than $10. And see, we already have some in there dissolving. These are meant to be slow dissolved. You see, if you put a bunch of tablets in here, they're going to dissolve really quick because the water is rushing past them constantly. This is just meant to float out in the water, real nice and easy like, and keep it from dissolving extremely fast. Now, the other reason we don't put these in there again is they're real acidic. So as they break down, all this water, you're getting basically acid water directly into your equipment over there, and it's going to eat at your seals. It's going to eat at anything it can touch, and you're going to be replacing equipment really quick. So again, I just want to reiterate, don't put tablets in your skimmer, and what is more, be careful where you're getting your information from. Make sure, and this person had no reason to suspect that a pool store was going to give her bad information. Yeah, read the packaging that these things come in. It says it right there on the side. Don't put it in the skimmer. So it was kind of funny because you could tell several pool guys were in that chat or in that forum telling this person, hey, don't listen to what they said. They're completely wrong. They're going to destroy your equipment. You're going to be replacing pumps, heaters, and everything in between. So just that quick tip for you today. Again, Tim from PoolProAnswers.com. I'm here to help, here to assist. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and check out some of our other videos and even our blog if you like. All right, until next time, friends, we'll see ya.